good time. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on, Tina. The camera, we got it iced, you guys, because it's kind of hot. And the vibe is vibing. Isn't it good? It's good, right? So good. Mary's first. This is like what they're known for here. And this is a good coffee. Little Mermaid is on. San Diego Port behind us. The best view behind me. Guys, Tiana's quarter is so cute. There's like these little, they literally made it look like a streetcar. I feel like I'm in New Orleans. Like, look at the Mardi Gras of these. This is so cute. I'm really excited. Okay, so then Triton's is giving me Lumiere vibes, which makes sense. The Triton's right there. Really pretty. Little mane. Ah, it's all under the sea. There's area. Door is still open. My girl and I, are you kidding me? She runs the ship. So excited to be here. The chandelier is definitely different from all the rest. It's more flat. We're gonna go to the top. We're gonna get that view too. And I'm just so excited to be on a Disney Wonder. I am thankful for you guys for being here. And I can't wait to explore more together. We have the drill left for today. We did miss lunch. We're gonna get room service, and then we don't have a show. We're gonna watch a movie and probably join in on different things, but super excited to be here. There's something just a little special about the ship being christened by Tinkerbell. It's the 70th year of Disneyland. But let me give you guys this. So beautiful. The D Lounge. Oh, there's already something happening. There's your Mickey Mouse. Yeah, why don't we do a little outside moment? I definitely need to take a photo by the yellow boats. Classic yellow boats this time. Boat is stunning. I gotta say, for now, I don't know if it's because I learned the magic, but I do like to wonder a little bit more. Tiana's place is so cute. Love. So we're just walking through. We ordered room service since we missed lunch. And then we're gonna just rest until the drill and take it from there. One step at a time. All right, you guys, so the shop's open at 6 p.m. I'm waiting for Mary, she's in there, and we're gonna go see what they got. I've never gone to the stores this early. I normally go like later in the day on the first day, or even like really early on the first C day, or first C day. But let's go check out what there is together. Guys, day one, and we've already been pixie dusted. Just get back to the door, and we went shopping, caused some damage, and now we're gonna get ready for the sail away party. And you know what? Actually, I'm pretty sure Mary left her door open. Look at that! I could just go into my neighbor's room. What you doing, neighbor? And we're gonna go to sail away party and some dinner. Ciao till then.
It's just the beginning now, so y'all gotta call the stateroom. The venue's at the end.
You look beautiful. Yeah. Okay, you guys, this officially concludes our day one on a Disney Wonder. We kind of had the best day ever. Honestly, we did miss the sail away party by choice. We had like a cute little girls get together moment. Tiana's was amazing. I can't wait for day two. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. This is our first ever Disney cruise vlog on the YouTube channel, so I appreciate you. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys soon.